Christal's way.
Where you belong. Just be yourself and sing a song. Here you can laugh, learn and grow. I want you to know it's where you belong.
Christal's ways.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Oh, hello, and welcome to Christal's Place, where we learn and grow. It's so nice to see you, friends. Thank you for visiting today. I'm Christal, and I want you to know that you belong here, and things here are spectacular. Oh my goodness, do you see that? It's snowing! It's snowing! Somebody just hit me with a snowball. Who did that? Oh my goodness. Let me get my hat right. Who did that? This is a big snowball. Ooh, yikes, it's cold. Maybe it's from the North Pole. And there's a message here. It says, Christmas is coming. Oh, Christmas is coming. Did you hear that? Christmas is coming. I am so excited. Are you excited? I knew you'd be excited. Now, let's move on to an activity to celebrate Christmas. Maybe a gift that you can give to someone this holiday season. Come with me. We're going to do a Christmas picture today, including a Christmas tree, some gifts, and a snowman. And we're going to write a Christmas message at the end. Now, don't worry. An adult can help you, or an older sibling can help you write the message at the end. So the supplies that you'll need are construction paper of different colors. If you don't have construction paper at home, that's okay. If you have white paper or lined paper, like from a notebook, you can use that too. That is totally fine. So we have pre-cut shapes. So the adult, if you're helping them out, if you're helping the kids out, you want to go ahead and make your shapes first, your circles for your snowman, your triangles for your Christmas tree. And then if you have Ziploc bags or just a small container, you can pre-cut the shapes so that it will take you less time. Now, if my friends, the kids, are ready to cut shapes and you want them to practice their cutting skills, they can certainly do that with safe scissors, if you have some of those. But they will definitely need someone to sit with them. And it's a great time to spend with family and friends making this Christmas picture. So you'll need crayons or markers or colored pencils, whatever you have, to make your picture. Glue, maybe tape. If you don't have glue or if you just prefer that, then you can use it. And then a pencil, of course, if you need that as well. So let's get started. We're going to open our supplies first and take them out. We have all of our pieces for the snowman here. And so one of the things that you need to keep in mind is we give the kids the opportunity to work independently while you sit with them, but we don't need to correct them. Even if something is a little bit off center, that's fine. They love to use their creativity. So we want to give them that space to learn and grow. So we have the pieces of the Christmas tree here as well. And if you look at the final picture, you can place these pieces close together. So what we're going to do is to glue our pieces together for our tree. So let's try to do this quickly so that you can see how it goes. So pre-cutting everything just really saves you time, and it helps you to enjoy the process even more. So my friends will be able to do it and have some quality time with you. So let's get started. And it doesn't matter how high or low you go. This one will be a 5-tier Christmas tree. So you want to make sure that you get them as close together as possible when you put them on. And then when you put the pieces together, it will start to look really nice as you go. Now you can do it from the top down or the bottom up. It really doesn't matter. I'm doing it this time from the top down. This one I did it from the bottom up so you can see the differences between those two pictures. But it's still a Christmas tree. And so let them glue it on the way that they would like to so that it looks the way that they feel most comfortable. You see how that's coming together very nicely? We're almost at the bottom. And you can play some Christmas music like I'm doing now during the time that you're putting the craft together, or you can just, talk and have conversation. Whatever you all want to do is up to you. So we're almost finished putting the pieces of the Christmas tree on. We're gluing them on. And again, you can use glue if you'd like. It looks like I have run out of space, so we're gonna make this a 4-tier tree, which is totally fine because I need to put my bottom piece on there as well. And if you have more space, you can start up a little bit higher and you can start your first piece here so that it will go all the way down if you want to do the 5-tier tree. So let's put this piece on the bottom. And again, if you start from the bottom up, you can correct as you go, no biggie. You can always lift those pieces up and align them appropriately. But again, you let them lead so they can make it look the way they want to. And we have our star at the end that we want them to put on the top of the tree. So friends, you can put your star on top, or if you don't want to use a star for the top of your tree, that's totally fine. You can put whatever you want. You can make something totally different out of the rest of the construction paper. Now, we're done with our tree. We're gonna move on to our snowman. So we have 3 different sizes of circles here. And so we're going to put those on just the same in order of size from largest to smallest. And if you missed some areas with your glue, you can go back over it again to make sure that it's sticking. And this activity probably will take in real time maybe about 25 to 30 minutes because it just takes that time to put everything together and to make sure that the picture looks spectacular. So as you can see, our snowman is coming together nicely. Great. Pause this video at any time. If you need to take a break, if you need to, make sure that you are doing it your way. You don't have to keep up with me, of course. You can pause it at any moment and work on a certain portion, and then you can come back to it, come back to the video and continue. So I am now putting on the arms of this snowman, and he is coming together nicely. I can't wait to see what he will look like. Okay, that's done. And now we've got his carrot nose that we're going to put on. And he's getting cold, so we have to make sure that he also is wearing a scarf. Let's see. And maybe you want to create a name for the snowman, friends. Maybe you want him or her to have a name. So there's the first part of the scarf. And then we have the second part. And what I did up here was I just created lines, but you can put any design that you would like on the snowman. Now this portion is up to you because you can choose to cut out pieces of construction paper to use for the eyes, the mouth, and the buttons. And what I'll do to save time is just use crayons to create it, okay? So here we go. I'm gonna put my glue stick top on, and we are going to quickly, I'm gonna choose for him to have green buttons this time. Okay, so green buttons on this, boop, 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 boop. And he's going to have brown eyes. I think that would look nice. All right. Very good. And there you go. you have a Christmas tree and a snowman, and then the things that's missing here are the gifts. So you can take your time to create gifts under the tree if you'd like. You don't have to add snow if you don't want to, but certainly write a Christmas message. And this time we're going to say, Happy Holidays. So let's write that. And then we'll be done. But take all the time that you need to finish your own picture. I just wanted to show you how you put it together. And I know this will be a masterpiece when you're done. And this will say, Happy Holidays. And so an adult can help you write it. Thank you, friends, for joining me in this activity. Again, you can give it as a gift to someone or keep it and put it up at home. I hope you enjoyed that activity of making a Christmas tree and adding a snowman, decorating the tree. It might be a nice gift to give to someone this holiday season, or you can keep it and put it up at home.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you for visiting Christal's Place today. I certainly enjoyed having you here, and I hope you felt like you belonged and that things were spectacular. That snow was absolutely spectacular. Now please ask an adult to like and subscribe to Christal's Place so you won't miss a thing. Now I know you're waiting on your gifts from Santa, but remember to be thankful for your family, your friends, and most importantly, Christ. Merry Christmas! Thank you again for coming. I hope to see you again soon. Sending you lots of hugs. Have a great day. Merry Christmas.